Hey everyone, this is the electric kettle and bath towels from Miss Kirby Miller, 15 at 2. Copy the list. Go live, 11:08. Paste the list. Roll our dice, we need a 4 or higher, 11:08. And we have a 9, 11:08. 15 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the 8th time, we still have 15 items on the list. Miss Debbie Rhodes is on the top. Mr. John Harrington is on the bottom. Randomized 8 times. The dice call for a 9. 11:09, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 1, Miss Shauna Daniels is the winner. Congrats, Miss Shauna. 15 items on the list, 9 times. The dice call for a 9. Verified code. And we are done at 11:09. Thanks, everyone.